Do you love exploring international cuisine? Spain is one of the most celebrated food destinations in the world. And if you've ever wondered what is Spain's most famous dish, the answer is simple: paella. But to truly experience Spanish dining, you also need to enjoy tapas, the small, flavorful plates that keep Spain's social spirit alive. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know your favorite Spanish dish. Today, we're exploring Spain's culinary icons, paella and tapas. Together, they represent not just food, but a way of life. Let's get started. First things first, the star of the show, paella. This dish originated in Valencia in the mid-19th century. Traditionally, it was cooked outdoors by farmers and workers over an open fire, using ingredients they had on hand like rabbit, chicken, beans, and even snails. Seafood paella came later as the dish spread along Spain's coast. Beyond its ingredients, paella carries deep meaning. It is considered a symbol of Spanish pride and is most often served at festivals, family gatherings, and Sunday lunches. Cooking it in a wide, shallow pan transforms it into a communal experience, where everyone gathers around to share in the joy of eating together. So, what makes paella so special? It begins with short grain rice, such as bomba or calaspara, which absorbs flavor beautifully. Saffron is added for its golden color and signature aroma, while olive oil, paprika, garlic, and peppers bring rich Mediterranean flavor. Depending on the variation, paella may feature fresh vegetables, tender meats, or a mix of seafood delight. Over time, different styles of paella have emerged. The original, paella valenciana, includes rabbit, chicken, beans, and sometimes snails. Along the coast, seafood paella became popular, loaded with shrimp, mussels, squid, and clams. For those who want the best of both worlds, mixed paella combines meat and seafood, while vegetarian paella highlights artichokes, peppers, beans, and saffron rice. Across Spain, regions add their own flair. Barcelona and coastal cities lean towards seafood-heavy recipes, while inland Spain favors more meat-based versions. Interestingly, the word paella refers not only to the dish, but also to the wide, shallow pan it's cooked in. Traditionally, paella is eaten at lunch, not dinner, and in recognition of its cultural significance, UNESCO has even declared Valencia's paella tradition part of intangible cultural heritage. Now let's shift gears to Spain's other food icon, tapas. As the Spanish say, Spain without tapas? Simply inconceivable. Tapas aren't just about what you eat, they're about how you eat. These little plates are meant for sharing in lively bars, where friends gather to laugh, chat, and enjoy drinks together. Classic examples include gambas al ajillo, shrimp sautéed in garlic oil with a touch of spice, regalito de torito, a little oxtail pastry inspired by Spain's bullfighting tradition, and huevos rotos, a comforting plate of potatoes topped with runny eggs, serrano ham, and padron peppers. Tapas culture is casual, noisy, and filled with energy. They are often paired with cañas, which are small, cold beers, or with a glass of wine or vermouth. In some parts of Spain, tapas are served free with a drink, while in other regions, they are ordered separately. Either way, they are a cornerstone of Spanish social life, especially in cities like Madrid, where tapas bars buzz with activity well into the night. So, which defines Spain better, paella or tapas? The truth is, both are equally important. Paella is Spain's most famous dish, festive, hearty, and deeply rooted in tradition, while tapas represent Spain's most famous dining style, casual, social, and endlessly creative. Together, they show that in Spain, food is never just about nourishment. It's about connecting with others, celebrating life, and sharing unforgettable moments. To wrap it all up, Spain's most famous dish is, without question, paella. But no Spanish food journey is complete without tapas, those irresistible little bites that bring people together. From saffron rice to garlic shrimp, From Sunday lunches to late-night tapas bars, Spanish cuisine is festive, flavorful, and full of life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.